and chill, chill, chill. Just say you will.
Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So we're going to get straight into it. You guys see the thumbnail. Y'all already know what you are here for. I have an update for you guys in the ongoing case that was involving Martell Holt from Love and Marriage Huntsville and his ex-wife, Miss Melody Cherie. Now, they have had this ongoing case for several years now, and it was in regards to the custody of their 4 children that they shared together. And it looks like the judge may have finally put this case to an end and issued an order. Now, some of you, if not all, may already know that they were at trial on October the 15th. The document is on the screen. We're going to get straight into it. We see in the top that this document was electronically filed on October 20th, 2025, with Melody listed as the plaintiff, Martell listed as the defendant, and it reads, order. This matter came before the court on the 15th day of October 2025 on the plaintiff's verified petition for Rule Nisi and for modification filed by the plaintiff, Melody Cherie Rogers, by and through her attorney of record, and on the answer of the counterclaim filed by the defendant, Martell Holt, by and through his attorney of record. Presents for trial was the plaintiff, Melody Cherie Rogers, with her attorney of record. In the guardian ad litem, it says the defendant's attorney of record was present, but the defendant, Martell Holt, failed to appear. After taking evidence and testimony, and upon consideration of said pleadings, evidence, and testimony, this court finds that the continuation of the joint custody scheduled ordered in the parties' settlement agreement dated March 21st, 2021 is not in the children's best interest, and further finds that it is in the best interest of the children that the joint custody order be modified as herein set forth. It is therefore ordered, adjudged, and decreed as follows. Number 1. Melody Cherie Rogers and Martell Holt shall be awarded joint legal custody of the minor children born to the parties, with Melody Cherie Rogers being awarded the sole physical custody of the minor children and Martell Holt being awarded secondary custodial rights as set out and specified in the court's standard visitation / physical custody schedule attached hereto as Exhibit A. Number 2. Court's standard parenting clauses attached hereto and marked as Exhibit A are incorporated herein by reference and made a part of this decree as if set out in full. Special reference is made to provisions in said standard parenting clause related to notice requirements of law regarding relocation by either parent as set out in the Alabama Parents-Child Relationship Protection Act. Number 3. It is further ordered the provisions for child custody in the decree constitutes a custody decree or custody determination under the Alabama enactment of the Uniform Child Custody Jurisdiction Enforcement Act. Number 4. The minor children born to the parties shall not participate in any television productions or social media that is for gain / profit without leave of the court or until the minor children reach the age of majority. Number 5. Plaintiff Melody Cherie Rogers shall be responsible for the guardian ad litem fees. The sum of $1,504 is due to the guardian ad litem and shall be paid within 30 days from the date of this order. Number 6. The parties shall continue to use the My Family Wizard to communicate with each other. Number 7. There is no award of child support as no information was provided during the hearing regarding income of either party. Number 8. All other relief is hereby denied. Number 9. Both parents shall notify with other parent when they are traveling out of town / state during their period of custody with the minor children to allow the other parent the right of first refusal. Number 10. All other provisions of this court previous order not specified modified herein shall remain in full force and effect. Number 11. The mother's address shall be considered the primary address for school enrollment purposes. Number 12. Cost taxed as paid, done this 20th day of October 2025. So, you guys, there we have it. That is the order. It looks like Martell couldn't even bother to show up. He felt like filming for Love and Marriage Huntsville. You know, it has been alleged that they filmed the reunion. So it seems like that was more important to him. He sent his lawyer and he went ahead to film for the show. Yeah, so the judge has given Mel. Mel was awarded sole physical custody of all the children, and Martell has been awarded secondary custodial rights. They hopefully can put all this to rest, move forward, heal as a whole. And so we're just going to look up the definition so we're clear about what's what and what we just read, you guys. So remember, it said that both Melody and Martell was awarded joint legal custody of the kids, while Melody was also awarded sole physical custody of the kids, with Martell being awarded secondary custodial rights. And so they say the definition of sole physical custody: one parent has the primary responsibility for the child's day-to-day care, and the child lives with them most of the time. Parent's role: the parent with sole physical custody, which is male, is responsible for the child's daily needs, including providing a stable home environment. Other parent role, which would be Martell, the other parent typically receives visitation rights, though the specifics are determined by the court. And then for joint legal custody, the definition says both parents share the right and responsibility to make major decisions for the child. What we just went over. The parental role: both parents have equal rights to be involved in these aspects of the child's life, regardless of physical custody arrangement. So I hope that clarified things even more for you guys. That's all I have for y'all. Please don't forget to tap that like button. Let me know what y'all think down below in the comments. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.